Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. Our friend Amor brought us to that second location that we haven't been before. And you know what? It is spectacular, guys. It is just plain beautiful. I'm gonna insert a few more. It might be raw clips. I'm not sure. So right after me blabbing away, you're gonna see some raw clips, so stay tuned for that. But I just want to stop by and say again, thank you for people who have already ordered, and some of you folks already got some of our hats. So if you want to help us out, you want to sponsor us, you know, just want to fuel Paradise to Paradise so we can go to you know, other places that require moolah. That is one of the ways. Again, just go to my Shopify. The other way again is to just watch the ads entirely. So without further ado, here are some raw clips, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the